Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card in an ATM machine. First, find the card slot, usually indicated by a flashing light or an arrow. Make sure your card's chip is facing upwards or towards the machine. Gently slide your card into the slot until it's fully inserted. The ATM will then prompt you for your personal identification number, or PIN. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and covered. After inserting your card, the ATM will ask for your PIN. Use the keypad to enter your 4-digit or 6-digit personal identification number. Always shield the keypad with your other hand to protect your PIN from prying eyes. Once your PIN is accepted, the main menu will appear. Choose the transaction you wish to perform, such as a cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, or deposit. If you're making a withdrawal, select the withdrawal option from the menu. The machine will then ask you to enter the amount of cash you want. For instance, you might enter $100. Double-check the amount before confirming. The ATM will dispense your cash, usually from a slot below the screen. Be sure to take your money promptly. Once your transaction is complete, the ATM will prompt you to take your card. It's crucial to retrieve your card immediately to prevent it from being retained by the machine. You'll also be offered a receipt. Take it if you need a record of your transaction. Before walking away, quickly check the ATM for any forgotten items, ensuring a secure and complete experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.